Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So DJI has just launched a brand new drone, the DJI Air 3S. This is a drone that a lot of people have been waiting for. We now have a 1-inch sensor in the main camera. We have a new lidar sensor at the front. It's got some other enhancements and features which we'll be talking about in my full review. By the time you're watching this unboxing, I will have already uploaded my full review, so you can go and check that out to check out all the new features. But we're just going to go ahead here and take a look at the new drone. Now this here is the Fly More combo with the DJI RC2, the case, and the extra batteries. So as you can see, it has the same case as the Air 3, which I'm really happy about because I really like this case. I've talked about that in some of my videos. We're going to open it up here and we'll take all the components out. At the top, we have a charging and data cable, and we have some information, some literature there. Looks like some DJI stickers. We'll open this first little package. Looks to be like propellers, spare props. And indeed, that's what it is. Lots of spare propellers. And here, I'm not quite sure what this is. I think this might be ND filters. And indeed, that's exactly what it is. So that's actually new. The Air 3 didn't come with ND filters, but the Air 3S apparently is. If you get this particular kit, that is. So we have an ND8, ND32, and ND128. Here we have the RC2 controller. This is the same controller that comes with the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3. This can also be used with a variety of other drones, such as the new Neo. Below that, we have the charging hub and the spare batteries. And here we have the aircraft. There it is there. We'll pull off the gimbal guard. We'll take a look at the new camera. And just so you can compare the two, you can see the camera is a little bit larger. This is the Air 3 here, the Air 3S. Camera's a little bit larger to accommodate for that 1-inch sensor. But other than that, the body styling is pretty well identical. Now, just like most DJI products, this drone is going to need to be activated, and there's probably going to be some firmware waiting for it, and that goes for the controller as well. So I will have to do that, and we will have to put our propellers on. So we're going to need 2 A propellers. And we are going to need 2 B propellers. So let's start with the A. You're going to notice that the A has a silver ring on it, which matches the motor there. They just twist and lock right in. We'll do the other A propeller. If you're new to drones, you've never had one before, this can be your first drone. The propellers diagonal to each other are identical. So when you go to install them, you're going to have the same propeller on this side, both A's, and these two are going to be the B propellers. And they don't have that silver ring on it, it's just black. And they just twist and lock in. So yeah, that is the new DJI Air 3S. As mentioned, I already have a full review uploaded to my YouTube channel. That would have been uploaded yesterday, so definitely go and check that out if this is a drone you're interested in. If this is a drone you're interested in, make sure you're subscribed, as I will be covering it fully over the coming weeks and months, different tutorials and demonstrations. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Give it a thumbs up if you found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.